Replacing windows can dramatically improve comfort, curb appeal, and energy performance, especially for homeowners looking for window replacement in Roseville MI. If you are comparing residential window replacement Roseville MI options, focus on licensed local window contractors. Roseville, Michigan, who understand the demands of Michigan weather. The best window installers in Roseville MI will explain frame materials, glass packages, and installation methods that fit your home's age and style. For anyone searching for affordable window replacement Roseville MI or house window replacement near Roseville, Michigan, the right contractor should offer clear communication, detailed measurements, and professional guidance from estimate to final cleanup. Signs you need new window replacement. Roseville MI often show up long before a complete failure. Drafts, condensation between panes, sticking sashes, rotting frames, rising utility bills, and fading furniture are all common indicators that it may be time for old home window replacement Roseville MI. When windows no longer seal properly, heat loss increases and comfort drops, especially during cold snaps. Homeowners wondering when to replace windows in an aging home should also look for cracked glass, warped frames, and difficulty opening or locking windows. These issues can make window replacement in Roseville, Michigan, a smart investment sooner rather than later. Energy-efficient window replacement options for Michigan homes are especially valuable in a climate with long winters and temperature swings. Homeowners seeking energy-saving replacement windows. Roseville, Michigan should compare low-E coatings, insulated frames, warm-edge spacers, and gas-filled glass packages. Double-pane window replacement, Roseville MI, is one of the most common upgrades because it helps reduce heat loss with new replacement windows while improving year-round comfort. The benefits of double-pane windows for residential homes also include reduced condensation and better sound control. For those prioritizing savings, energy-efficient window replacement Roseville MI can help lower heating costs and improve efficiency across the home. Choosing between vinyl versus fiberglass. Window replacement Roseville MI for home depends on budget, performance goals, and architectural style. Vinyl window replacement Roseville MI is often selected for affordability, low maintenance, and strong energy performance, making it a popular choice for replacement windows for homes in Roseville MI. Fiberglass, however, can offer greater strength, stability, and durability in fluctuating temperatures. When evaluating best window materials for cold climates in Michigan, consider insulation value, expansion resistance, and long-term maintenance. A reputable Macomb County window replacement company can help you compare how each material performs in suburban Michigan homes and older properties alike. Window replacement quotes should never be judged by price alone. Knowing how to compare window replacement quotes means reviewing product quality, labor scope, disposal fees, trim work, warranty coverage, and whether the estimate includes finishing details. What is included in a window replacement estimate can vary widely between contractors, so ask for itemized pricing and clarify any allowances for custom sizes or unexpected repairs. If you are collecting replacement window estimates in Roseville, Michigan, make sure each quote includes the same scope of work. This makes it much easier to identify the best value for window replacement Roseville MI without sacrificing quality. Custom window sizes for older house openings are often necessary in Roseville's established neighborhoods where framing dimensions may not match modern stock sizes. Types of window replacement. Roseville MI for older homes can include double-hung, casement, picture, bay, bow, hopper, and specialty shapes designed to fit unique openings. For old home window replacement Roseville MI, accurate measurement and proper fit are essential to avoid air leaks and structural issues. If you need bay window replacement Roseville, Michigan, or front window replacement Roseville MI, choose experienced window replacement specialists. Roseville MI, who can manage custom fabrication, trim restoration, and careful installation around historic details. What to expect during a professional window installation is a step-by-step process designed to protect your home and ensure a proper seal. A trusted window installation services Roseville MI crew will typically inspect the openings, remove old units, check framing, install the new windows, insulate gaps, and seal everything for weather resistance. How long does window replacement take in a house depends on the number of windows, the condition of the frames, and whether custom work is required. For many homes, same-day window replacement Roseville, Michigan may be possible for smaller projects, while larger projects can take a few days to complete. Questions to ask before hiring a window contractor should cover licensing, insurance, product brands, installation methods, and warranty terms. Homeowners searching how to find licensed window installers should verify credentials, local references, and proof of experience with Michigan residential window replacement services. Warranty tips for residential window replacement matter because strong coverage can protect your investment long after installation. Ask whether labor, glass seal failure, and parts are covered, and whether the warranty transfers to future owners. The most dependable, experienced window replacement specialists, Roseville MI, will answer these questions clearly and provide written documentation before work begins. How to choose the best window replacement company in Roseville MI starts with reputation, transparency, and local expertise. Look for a company that specializes in window replacement contractors near Roseville MI, offers honest recommendations, and understands the needs of homeowners in Macomb County. Best window installers in Roseville MI should be able to explain the difference between storm window replacement Roseville MI, frame repair, and full frame replacement. If you need window frame repair and replacement Roseville MI, make sure the contractor can determine whether a repair will solve the issue or whether a full replacement is the better long-term solution. Local knowledge matters. How replacement windows improve home value is one of the main reasons many homeowners choose this upgrade. New windows can boost curb appeal, increase energy efficiency, reduce maintenance, and make a home more attractive to buyers. If you are considering replacement windows in Roseville MI, think about both immediate comfort and long-term return on investment. Buyers often notice updated windows during showings, especially in suburban neighborhoods where noise reduction and efficiency are highly valued. The best windows for noise reduction in suburban neighborhoods can also create a quieter interior, which is especially beneficial near busy roads or school corridors. How to prepare your home for new windows can make the installation smoother and faster. Clear furniture, remove window treatments, and provide easy access to each opening before the crew arrives. Homeowners interested in affordable window replacement, Roseville MI should also ask about window replacement financing options for homeowners, especially if they plan a larger project or multiple phases. The best time of year for window replacement projects in Michigan is often during milder weather, but qualified crews can handle installations across seasons. With the right planning, custom window replacement Roseville MI and vinyl window replacement Roseville MI can both deliver strong performance, better comfort, and lasting value for your home in Roseville, Michigan.